Hi guys, we have an appointment in the next few. So before we go, I want to do a bit of shopping because the weather is also looking somehow, and I don't want to be caught in the rain. So I am out a shop called Chef US Store. They sell wholesale things. So I want to pick kale and I'm going to check if they have liver. I also discovered that they have cut onions. How convenient is that? I hate cutting onions. I hate cutting any veg. But hey, I don't know. If you are not a fan of cutting onions, fan of cutting vegetables, here is a solution for you. For me, I would go for the cut onions any day, anytime, but they'd probably get spoiled unless I freeze them. Anyway, I am here looking for liver. Meat, I'm not going to buy meat today because they have like really extremely huge portions, and which I normally get like once a month. But my family, we are not really meat eaters, maybe just me and my husband, but the kids are not really fans of meat. So we don't go through a lot of meat. So if you're a person who eats a lot of meat, or like if you're having a party, this is definitely something that you can consider, and you can come to this store and look for bulk meats. I thought their prices were also pretty reasonable. They also have ground beef, lots of cheese. In the section of vegetables, they have all sorts of vegetables. They have potatoes, onions, fruits, everything and anything. So, if you want to save on bulk buying, this is something that you can look at. So, the appointment that we are going for apartment viewing. We want to move houses. We are considering moving houses. So we want to see what is out there. And if it is something nice, then we are going to consider. So here we are. This is the apartment that we saw, and I'll just take you through it as we are walking along. So when you come in through the door, the first thing that you see is the kitchen, which is what I do not like about my current house. I don't like seeing the kitchen, the living room. I don't like seeing the whole layout. The plus thing is that they have a double sink. This is a yeah, this would be an upgrade, the two sinks, and then they also have plenty of storage, almost the same as what we have. Then here next to it is the dining area. And then outside there is also a storage at the balcony, which is a plus. We don't have that. The kitchen is almost the same size. Maybe the storage is a bit more, but almost the same size, of course, with appliances. And then this is the living room. They have a fireplace, and it is also slightly bigger. So here we are just trying to compare what we have versus what we are seeing. The another plus thing is this storage place, and then there is also this other storage place on the hallway or on the corridor towards the bedrooms. And a plus again is the fact that the laundry area. Wait, let's first of all figure out how we would arrange our seats were we to take this apartment. It would fit more of our furniture. And yeah, so the laundry area is separate from the living room, from the dining. That is something that really bugs me because our dining area is next to the laundry, or the laundry is next to the dining area, which really annoys me because the space is not much. You have to move the dining table so that you can be able to access the laundry, and it is just annoying for me. So, this would definitely be a plus. The heater in the laundry, I hope that's safe because our house, the heater is in the bedroom, in the wardrobe, so we don't see it, and the kids of course are not tempted to touch it. Then the bathroom is also slightly bigger. I like the update of the bathroom. That would be a bit of an upgrade, but as far as storage, it's the same. Then here is the first bedroom, the wardrobe. Hey, the shelving in the wardrobes here in America. Hey, I think we were really spoiled in Kenya. So here is a wardrobe, and then the bedroom, it would fit a double decker, which is fine with for our kids. And then here is the second bedroom. It is almost the same size as the other one. They are the same yeah, the same size. So they would both fit double deckers for the kids, and then the wardrobe, spacious. Of course, you would have to maybe add a chest of drawers And then the master bedroom, this one. Hey, okay. The master bedroom is slightly smaller than what we have, and then the wardrobe is walk-in, quote unquote. But I do not know why the wardrobe is inside the toilet or the toilet is inside the bathroom. Like you have to walk through the bathroom. I mean, walk through the wardrobe to get to the bathroom. I don't know how that will do, especially with all the steam and all that. I don't know. This is not really a pass for me, especially the master bedroom. But the kitchen is a plus. Okay, guys, so we are back home, and hey, okay, that house. All right, so before I talk about the house, I want to make my lemon juice, orange juice, and then my ginger garlic shots, and then my ginger and garlic, which I use to cook. So for my garlic shots, I normally put turmeric and pineapple, which you're going to see, and then I put it in cupcake cups and freeze them so that when I am cooking, it is just easy. And then the orange juice and the lemon juice, I just put them in the water, and that is how I make my ginger shots. One of these, my ginger drink. So one of these days, I will show you guys how I do it. So about the house, okay, it was not bad, but the kitchen was also not bad, but the fridge, the appliances had like scratches. I think the person who was living there either had lived there for long or they had kids who were just scratching the appliances. So we asked if they were going to replace for us, and they said no. So I was just like, if I am moving, I don't want appliances that are already scratched because yeah, that will not go well with me. So that one was a negative for me, but I liked the fact that it had two sinks. That was good. That was a plus. Um, what else did I like about the kitchen? I liked the space, the cabinets. Yeah, it was okay. But I did not like the fact that when you get into the house, the first thing that you're seeing is the kitchen. That is one thing that really bugs me, especially about our current house. It really bothers me because when you get in and the first thing you see is even dirty dishes in the sink, it just makes me tired by the instantly. I get extremely tired. I don't know if it is just me, but yeah, I don't like seeing the kitchen first. So that is something that I would love to change. Other than that, I liked the storage on the outside. That was a plus. Um, the living room was spacious. Okay, I liked the storage, the linen storages on the sides, the fact that the laundry was separate from the whole house. The current house that we have, our laundry area is next to the dining. So you always have to squeeze yourself through the dining to be able to access the laundry area. And then the way the washing machine and the dryer are noisy, even if there is a door, it still makes noise. So if you're in the living room and you're watching something, there's just this constant noise in the background that is really, really annoying and really tiring. So that is something that I would want to change, and that is definitely a plus in that house. The other thing, the bedrooms were also okay. The wardrobes were something that you can work with because you have separate chests of drawers, so that is fine. Um, the master bedroom. Ay, ay, ay. The master bedroom was smaller than what we have. So that one would literally just fit our bed and nothing else. And then I didn't like how you have to get through the wardrobe to go through the wardrobe to get to the bathroom. I don't know how that would work, especially with showering and the steam and, you know, molds, clothes. I have dealt with my own share of mold, and that is not a struggle that I want to carry to the next house. So that one was not working for me. I was not seeing how I will put my clothes, and then next to it is the shower. In as much as the showers have vents which take away the steam, I don't trust that. Stuck is stress. I don't want to be stressed out. So um it's a nice place, it's a nice compound, it's a nice environment. It's not like a typical apartment. It's just like duplexes, and then you have four neighbors. It's not bad. It's a nice place. Yeah, we liked the environment, but the house, I think we can get better. I think we can get better. So we are going to continue viewing and searching, and then eventually, once we settle on one, we are going to share that. But for now, yeah, let's continue hoping and praying that God is going to give us a house that we desire and a house that is, convenient and yeah, good and spacious enough for the children, especially just yeah, just to grow up in. And we don't want to move again for the next 2 years. Our previous place we stayed for 2 years, so we want to stay another 2 years before we make any other move. So I am done making my turmeric ginger shots, and I am just going to put them in these cupcake holders. I am using the green ones and the orange ones, and then I will freeze them. That is how I differentiate them. So once I freeze them, all I need to do is just take them out when I need to make my lemon water, and I just add the orange juice, the lemon juice, and a bit of honey, and that's it. I will yeah, freeze them once I am done, and then that will be it. So thank you so much for spending this day with me. It has been an up and down day, but it has been an okay day. So I guess we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for being here. I really, really appreciate you. We will see you in the next one. Stay positive, keep blessed. Bye.